Game development is huge. It involves tons of different skills. Some people make animations, some people make models, some people make textures, some people write code. My classes specifically are focusing on how do you do it from beginning to end under a tight deadline.
Etter studiet her så vil du ha den egenskapen til å bruke avanserte dataprogrammer til å skape fantastiske ting.
You will learn how to code and build a game in Unity and in Unreal. Those are the two primary engines that are used all over the industry.
Så lærer vi også forskjellige andre programmer, hovedsakelig for modellering og animering.
Samtidig som vi også har egenskapen til å lære hvordan du skriver en historie.
Every couple of years it's fresh machines. We have Wacom tablets and motion capture stuff and audio. We have 2 audio studios here in Kristiansand. So all the equipment is really top notch. So a lot of the skills that you would learn in a game development program are applicable to many different fields. That's what I love about games, is that they really combine so many different talents and so many different directions to produce one final thing. You simply have a broad range to choose from once you complete the course.